Right, so this is my daughter's new iPhone XR, and it's currently got the protective film on it because, so we got that yesterday, and now we've got the tempered glass screen protectors. Now, two things that are musts. One, you need a screen protector. Two, never get a plastic one. The plastic ones, they sort of protect it from scratching, but your finger tends to grip on it as you're doing that, and they're just awful. So wherever possible, always get a tempered glass screen protector. Right, so let's open this one. Really easy to fit once you can get them out. So you get, there's three in this one, and because of that you get 3 wet wipes and 3 dry wipes, and then obviously this one is a dust absorber, so it's a dabber. So in other words, you take it off, it's adhesive, and you tap it on. Now the whole reason that I've left the screen on there is so that I don't have to fiddle around too much. So we'll take that, pop that on there, move the other two out of the way. We'll take this out. So it should have right, okay then. So this is the side that will be going onto there like that. And at the moment that's completely untouched because it's covered with the plastic film. So we'll pop that down. And I'm going to take the film off, which, as I say, we should have. I shouldn't really need these, but if you do, first of all you go over with the wet wipe, and then you go over with the dry wipe, and then finally go over with the dust absorber. But I'm not going to do any of that because hopefully, as long as I'm in a relatively dust-free environment, if I pop that down there, when I take this off, there should be nothing on there. So now, if we get this, and if I take that off, so as I say, this is tempered glass. Now the thing is, we just need to put it on as best we can. I'm going to turn it on actually, so that I can see the top. I'm going to come in from it from above. I think that should be, I hope the picture doesn't scare you, something that my daughter thought would be good. I think that's pretty much that, so I'm just going to drop that now. Right, okay. Oh, there we go. Right, so that now is protected. And the other great thing about a glass one is, not only do you not have to squeeze it down or anything, it's just settled itself on there and attached itself. There's no air under there whatsoever. It's absolutely fantastic. Always get a glass one. And that's it, done. So as simple as that. Now it can go in a pocket, it's not going to get scratched. It may get a little bit scratched around the outside, but the face isn't going to get any scratch. The only time that I've ever used a rounded edge tempered glass one was on my iPhone X Plus, sorry, iPhone, oh God, I'll start again, is on my Samsung S8 Plus, and it was really awful because it was only glued at the edges. So every time you tap the screen, it bounced. So I never used one on that, and I was just prepared to accept a scratch screen. Now that I've got my Samsung 10 Plus, 10s, 10s, 10. Now that I've got my Samsung 10 Plus, it's fantastic because it comes with a glass screen protector on it, so I don't need to worry about the curved corners. So there we go, all done and dusted and ready to use.